Make money with Quora. Quora is a question and answer platform on the internet that is highly popular. In fact, it gets a tremendous amount of traffic on a month-to-month basis. It seems people can't get enough of posting questions online and having hundreds of people scramble to answer their questions. What's not to love? Well, believe it or not, this platform can actually help you make extra dollars every single month. When people post their questions, they're looking for people to suggest solutions. If you suggest a solution that leads to them clicking on a link, which leads to a page that has advertising, and they click on some of those ads and buy something, you make money. It really is that simple. How to do it? The first thing that you need to do is figure out what niche you want to target. Please understand that you're looking for reader interest. This means that certain questions on Quora get a lot more views than other questions. Obviously, you're going to target questions that get a lot more views. This increases the likelihood that you'll get a lot more traffic to your link. The next thing that you have to figure out is the kind of content that you can post on Quora, which will allow you to pull people to your target site. This is not always easy because when people post questions, sometimes the answer that they're looking for is very, very specific. You have to find a way of massaging their interest in this specific answer to translate to a click to your resource page. Once people are in your resource page, you must then write materials that will keep them on your site and clicking on your internal links until they like an ad or sign up for your mailing list. You make money when people click on an ad and buy something, or when they sign up for your mailing list. How does this work? Well, when people sign up for your mailing list, you get many chances of sending them updates. Many of these updates have affiliate links in them. If they click on the link and buy something, you make money. The pros of making money with Quora. The biggest advantage Quora brings to the table is that it supports all niches. Whether we're talking about midgets putting up a Christmas tree, or the histories of certain countries or religions, people ask all sorts of questions on Quora. Think of it as a question and answer version of Google. What's not to love, right? If you're looking for a place that draws people who are interested in specific issues, Quora is the place to be. Cons of making money with Quora. Don't expect to make money with this platform overnight. Just because you posted a really good answer and it had a lot of views doesn't guarantee that people would be motivated enough by your answer to click on your resource and click ads on your resource page. Usually, you have to post quite a number of answers to gain traction to your target site. Also, depending on the niche of questions you're specializing in, there might not be all that many questions on Quora. There will be a few, but the views for those few questions may not justify you putting up a special page to try to monetize that traffic. Again, this is where niche selection comes in. You have to find a happy marriage between high enough question volume and commercial value, as well as average monthly search volume on Google. All these correlate to a niche that may yield a positive return on investment. The shortcut to this is to hire a virtual assistant through places like Fiverr.com, Freelancer.com, or if you're looking for a cheaper alternative, ConyoPlus.com.